Tomorrow, April 15th, marks the final deadline for most U.S. tax filers. So if you haven't filed yet, we've got some tips for you. Joining us from San Diego is seasoned certified personal accountant and tax expert at TurboTax, Lisa Greene-Lewis. Lisa, thanks for being here. What advice do you have for anybody who may have waited until the last minute?
First, don't panic. You have until midnight tomorrow to file. I would say gather all your documents in one place so you don't leave anything out. You want to gather your documents that report your income, like your W-2s and 1099s. You also don't want to leave out any receipts or forms for those deductible items. And then you want to go online and e-file with direct deposit. That's the fastest way to get your refund.
You know, I do this every year, but I still forget all the paperwork that I need. So I don't know. It's like every time I'm doing it for the first time. I don't know if anybody else feels that way. But if you're not ready to submit, can people still file for an extension?
You can file for an extension by tomorrow night. The deadline, you file with Form 4868, but just remember that that is an extension to file and not to pay if you owe money.
Gotcha. Good clarification there. What if you haven't budgeted accordingly this year and you can't pay what you owe?
Yes, so the IRS, they will work with you and you can get an installment agreement, and that allows you to pay over 6 years.
Awesome. All right, Lisa Greene-Lewis, thank you so much for all of that. Appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.